Paano mag-shift na naman?
Hello, ma'am. We meet again.
Alithea, there are two Filipinas competing in Miss Supranational. And you are Miss Supranational Asia and Oceania. What is it about Filipino beauty that is appreciated in Supranational?
Ako, I think kasi when you're a Filipina, you're very caring about others. Especially, you value the sisterhood. So during my time, it was more on these Asians. We would go to my room at night and talk about what's happening, talk about what happened throughout the day, what happened yesterday. So I think meron silang instinct na they can trust me, which I really appreciate. Kasi tayo naman, we're very open. If they want to talk to us, they can talk to me like just Alithea, not the beauty queen. So I think yun yung nagdo-draw sa mga tao to really be with a Filipina, especially with Yuki, Miss Supra Japan. She's also a Filipina. What I like about her, she's very conservative as well. And our values align. So I think si Tara, I've known her for so long kasi even before competing, she will really do well. 100% sure ang kalaban ang mahihirapan at mag-uwi siya ng corona.
Did you find it like hard to compete with fellow candidates?
Honestly, hindi. Kasi it was more on I had a hard time competing with myself. Nung nandun ako sa Poland, na-realize ko, kalaban ko yung sarili ko. I was insecure. I was letting those bashing get into my head. And that's what affected me the most.
Your message to Tara?
Tara, yes. Andyan lang siya. I'm very proud of you. I know you will do well. 100% sure you will bring home the crown.
Ano ba yung segment ng Miss Supranational?
Na.
She needs to prepare.
At sinabi ko na sa kanya, preliminaries talaga. Because yung sa journey mo, just be yourself, okay lang yan, di ba? Pero sa preliminary, it will determine your spot on the finals. It will. Thank you.
Yes, of course.
Ako rin po.
So, how do you feel? You know, you competed with you have a Filipino blood.
Yes.
And right now, sa batch nila Tara, she's also competing with someone with Filipino blood. So, how do you feel about that? Was it kind of difficult or was it more encouraging?
Actually, it's really encouraging to have the same Filipino sister inside the pageant. Because me and Alithea, when we were there, we didn't think about it like a competition. We really always talk to each other, ask each other, how's it going? Parang we became really closer to each other kasi we know we both have Filipino blood and you know, parang nagiging sisters talaga when it comes to the competition. So I think Tara will have a great time since she have another Filipino sister in the pageant. I hope that they also get along with each other like me and Alithea. Actually, super strong si Tara. The moment I saw her, like I said a while ago, I was starstruck. So I hope she just enjoy Miss Supranational.
How can you describe like the competition in Poland? Was it very tight? Is it a very tight competition considering Asians? There's also Latinas.
Yeah. Well, for me, it's not that tight. For me, I had a great time. Na parang every single moment, it's not like a competition talaga. Parang everyone, we went there for a field trip, parang ganon. Kasi everyone was really just enjoying the moment. So, para sa akin, I think Tara will have a great time as well. She will be able to experience the Poland cuisines, the culture, and basta, even though, you know, during that time I had difficulties, like my eyes got injured, but when everyone was just there to support me. So parang para sa akin talaga, Miss Supranational gave me a really good experience in my life.
Alright, Kat. Kat, I know you're still competing. I mean, next year pa naman. Pero ano, nakapag-usap ba kayo ni Tara about their performance?
About the preparations, I think more of talagang I'm gonna watch the competition of Tara para mas malaman ko pa kung ano yung magiging atake natin for next year. Pero I'm very, very sure na ang i-aim natin next year ay back-to-back. I'm so happy for Tara. I'm super excited for her competition. We've been together after ng coronation night. May mga events kami na supranational organization based. So I'm so happy na nakasama ko siya doon, and at least early on now pala nakakapag-prepare na rin ako.
You had already an experience of competing internationally.
Yes. To Tara, I think more of experience talaga. Sabi nga ni Alethea kanina, this is not just a competition but an experience na dapat i-enjoy talaga ni Tara. Kaya naman, I think one thing lang talaga na masasabi ko sa kanya is just to enjoy, kasi this is once in a lifetime experience, and ano talaga, parang ano na siya, given na nasa Poland pa, so i-enjoy na nasa Europe na siya, enjoy this experience talaga. And of course, bring home the crown.
So, you still have 1 year to prepare. And the following months, what are you?
The following months, I think I'm gonna be busy with a lot of jobs, hosting, and that will also prepare me for my competition. And I think come Q4 of 2025, doon na talaga ako maghahanda for Supranational. Since it's gonna be, I think, same lang naman, around June, July of 2026. So I have a lot of time. So itong May, medyo nag-enjoy ako with my family, with my friends. I really celebrated. So now it's more of working and also preparing na rin for the competition.
Your message to your fans na abang sa'yo?
Oh, nakakatuwa naman na ngayon pa lang, nakaabang na sila. We have a year, meron tayong 1-year journey, so I hope hindi kayo magsawa and be with me in this supranational journey of 2026. So, pagbubutihin ko pa lahat, and I have a lot of time to prepare, and I'm super excited to win the back-to-back crown.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Celeste without attitude.
Ay!
Love you, Celeste. No, I'm really glad that I'm here with these two. Tara and Kenneth, they're the best kind of people. The ones that you want to see succeed, not just in their pageants, but in their life. Each of them have such a beautiful story. They're doing this for their families. They're doing this not just for themselves, but the people around them. But they also have very good hearts. And those are the kinds of people that I personally love supporting. And from the time that, first with Tara, first time ko siya nakita in Miss Universe Philippines here in the press presentation, I was like, oh my God, who is she? It's very easy to spot her. She has this natural glow, and I think a lot of the media would say that she's like one of those girls na kahit walang sasabihin, tatawa-tawa lang, and then you're like, 9.9. But the amazing thing is she works hard. I've seen that, and I've heard her. She's always so eager to learn. And the same thing with Kenya. Both of them know that they had a lot of things to improve on. They accept that with a lot of humility, but they also work so hard to get to where they are today. And I'm hoping that this coming June, all of that hard work will pay off. And I know it will. So congratulations.
Thank you so much. Napakagaling talaga sa Q&A, Celeste. Experience of the owners, I know you will really excel in the competition. And by the way, it's not a competition, it's an experience. Kilala ko to si Tara. She's very hardworking, very masipag. Hanggang midnight talagang nagtitraining siya doing her hair and makeup, her pasarela. And with Kenneth naman, hindi kami masyado nakapag-bond, but in that short time, I know he has a pure heart, very mabait. And I'm pretty sure makokoronahan tong dalawang to for Miss Supranational and Mr. Supranational. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Aleten. Of course. Celeste and? Sino si Mama Dre? Bea Gomez.
Celeste.